What were you just doing? Oh my god, we're in a gas station parking lot.
Shower.
Tee, we got pulled over.
Baby, you know that I miss you. I wanna get with you.
Hey guys, it's maiphammy here, and today I'm going to be doing a San Francisco vlog for you guys. So if you guys haven't watched my last 2 vlogs of this trip, go watch them or else you guys are going to be really confused. Montana's at McDonald's.
Oh, hungry as fuck.
What the hell? They have glazed tenders here? It's currently 7:35. Whoa, they still have their dollar menu.
Also, they have hot and mild salsa.
We're at Walgreens and it's 8 AM. I need to get me some makeup wipes. I need to wash my hands. I feel disgusting right now. My shirt's stained. Why do y'all have so much Arizona? Jesus. Tee, we got pulled over. That's what we get for speeding.
10 miles per hour over.
But like for us, that'd be like 20, like almost 20 over.
That's fine.
Let's hope we don't get a ticket. We'll let you know what happens.
Then it's 55, and then it'll be 65 miles an hour. So just find that on the inside. And okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
All right.
Sorry.
Thanks for your cooperation.
Thank you.
All right. So now it says we're gonna be there at 4:40 at the meetup. Oh, by the way, I haven't told you guys this. I put on my story that I was gonna have a meetup at 5 o'clock, and we're pretty close to time without stops. So
I won't get charged the extra $50 then.
I've been napping so hard. Look at my oily ass face. We're at a gas station. Got some gas, but like we're making it at 4:40 in San Francisco at Union Square where my meetup is, and I'm scared that we're not gonna make it in time. So we just stopped at this gas station. Why did I think that this bun was okay? Like that's not even a bun. That's literally like that's a sausage. Definitely running late. Fuck, I feel so bad, but like I need to change. They all need to change, and he's fixing the car. I don't know what he's doing, but it's hot as fuck. What were you just doing? Oh my god, we're in a gas station parking lot.
Shower. Jesus.
Okay, ready? We just parked in the parking garage and we're here. Fuck, I feel good finally being out of the car. Wow. We're gonna go exchange our money because we literally have no US money. We just went to the bank and they wouldn't let us exchange our money because we don't go with them, but it's fine, I guess. We have to go find somewhere else. I just met another subscriber. What's your name? Tammy. Tammy. Ready? I'm gonna go on my tab. Okay. This is my photography skills. I don't know what to do here.
Are you guys best friends now? Is that what just happened? You just made a friend. You just made a 2-man wolf pack. You know, like. Sorry.
All good. Oh my god, okay, this subscriber just got me some cookie layer crunch. I've never seen this cookie layer crunch thing. I've seen Sour Patch Kids, but not cookie layer crunch. Oh my god. Hi.
No way.
Oh my god. Thank you so. Oh my god, this is so adorable. Thank you. Oh my god, okay, give me 1 second. Hi. He loves it. Okay. Ethan just came and bring me snacks, and he bring me Arizona. That's adorable. Should they skip the ads?
No, never.
No, don't skip the ads. Don't skip the ads. Should they skip the ads? Never. Don't skip the ads, guys. We just finished the meet and greet. That was so adorable how they got me snacks. Oh my god. Hey, what's up? What's up? We're all gonna walk the same way, I guess. Thanks, people.
Okay, this is like all the change that you just gave me.
What the hell? This is a Walgreens. Look at that.
Oh, there's pee on the floor!
Go! Why are these hills so steep? Oh my god. Like, Jesus. Like, this is crazy. Like, what the hell?
Does someone drive standard here?
How would you rate this driving?
Shitty.
San Francisco has so many hills and it's just stupid. Like it is stupid how many hills there are. And just parking is shit. Wow, look at it. Beautiful. There's some raccoons. There's a Scooby-Doo van. We should ask if we can get a picture. That is so sick.
We're on like a 90-degree angle.
It's 7:43 right now, and we left San Francisco.
Want a light?
And we left San Francisco, and we went to my fucking camera, Wang. We left San Francisco, right? So after the meetup or whatever, we exchanged our money. Sorry, I was so bad at vlogging. I wasn't really talking. I was trying to just recording. But we left Union Square after we exchanged our money. We headed to the Golden Gate Bridge, took some pictures. Insert Instagram picture right here. Go follow me on there. And then now we're driving to LA. But I think we're gonna stop like midway. But we're first gonna get gas and In-N-Out. They're good. These are good. This is my first time at In-N-Out. You wanna see it's good? Wow. Wow.
Eat it.
We're at a motel.
Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Are we gonna die? Okay. What the fuck? What? Why did we get the most handicapped hotel ever? Except I love it.
We looked at you and gave us the handicap room.
Fuck you. Holy Bible, just what we need.
It's not orange. Oh, it is. Looks red in the camera.
This is not orange. Alright, so here we're gonna do an amazing motel tour. Okay, when you walk in, there's 2 beds, right? You walk straight and look, the bathroom is bigger than like, it's like half the room, yeah.
And there's no counter space. All this bathroom and you still ain't got no counter space.
That's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. This video was kind of all over the place. I'm sorry. It's just that like whenever I'm traveling, I don't take the time to, you know, make sure my camera's all set up nice and stuff like that. I hope you guys didn't really mind that much. Make sure to follow my social medias on the screen right here, especially my Instagram. I post quite a bit on there, and you guys can see what I'm doing before the vlog does. And until next time, peace.